morning, everybody. We have managed to get through most of August relatively unscathed in the tri-state when you think of the typical extreme heat we could see. You know, you look at our temperatures, look at all of the below average numbers this month. I can't remember a month where we have had more below average than above average. So August really has been cool and comfortable. Having said that, this final week is most likely going to be all above average. Maybe we get back to average by Saturday, but the next 5 days are going to be very, very hot. We've got this heat dome pretty much right on top of us. And when you have a very strong area of high pressure, as it slowly moves off to the east this week, high pressure, you get that sinking air, and air as it sinks, it warms and dries. And we're just going to see that process repeat itself over and over and over again all week long. Finally, by Friday, that high is off to the east and the overall ridge starts to break down. Temperatures start to cool and get a little bit more comfortable as we head into the weekend, but not before we've got to get through big time heat as we go through the week, about 10 degrees above where we should be. Now, having said that, it's going to be a relatively dry heat. You see today, lower to mid 90s for the most part. Heat index values might be a degree or two warmer than these numbers, but as I show you a very unexciting futurecast, you're not going to see much here. Like I said, a dry heat. We're not dealing with those tropical-like humidity values, which is fine. Most of us will take that. What that will also allow is low temperatures to fall back into the 60s and lower 70s. If we had that real humid air, we'd be seeing lows mid to upper 70s for the most part, which I don't think anybody wants. And notice by tomorrow at lunchtime, still right back into the 90s. Another hot day overall. So the other thing today, winds will be almost calm, so there won't be much airflow to take the edge off of all of these temperatures. You get back toward Kentucky Lake, we're talking more upper 90s for the most part for those places. But overnight lows not too bad, mid to upper 60s and a few lower 70s. We can deal with that. That will help in the evening and overnight hours. But you can see all those 90s all week long, flirting with a record on Thursday. Then the front approaches by Friday with a couple of chances for showers and storms, and then temperatures this weekend are cooler.